Hey guys, WRX. I'm here with another unboxing of a part I just received from JapanParts.com. I had received the initial box that contained the actual stiffener itself about a week and a half ago. For whatever reason, this box got held up in customs, probably got put aside and kind of forgotten. And then from there, I think they realized it had been sitting there, and then all of a sudden they slapped a express priority mail label on the box just to get up here quicker. So if you're wondering what comes in these boxes, I am here to show you. And as you know, this is a part that comes with the S209, and it fits right up there, right behind the rear seats to help stiffen up the chassis somewhat. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. I already pre-cut the tape off this, so I'm not fumbling around with it. So let's go ahead and pull her out of the box and see what we got. And it's pretty straightforward. All it is just a guard to help protect the components here. Let's see what the packaging looks like here. Nicely packaged. And the instructions are in some kind of a protective coating, which is pretty nice. Alright, so there's your mounting hardware. My knife for that. As you guys could probably guess, I'm not one of those full-time YouTubers. I'm not even a part-time YouTuber. I'm just whenever I get a chance type YouTuber. I'm not necessarily in this for any kind of monetary gain, but just to kind of show you guys and helping somebody out as far as parts. I found there's a lack of videos on YouTube with regards to these STI parts, surprisingly. Oh wow, I thought this was going to be red, but this is actually a cherry blossom color, which is a nice touch. So there you have it. Surprising I don't see any STI badging on this part whatsoever. I guess that's okay. But yeah, so here it is. This is the unboxing of the stiffener guard. Alright, WRX out.